Hey everybody, Marcus here with the New England Bushcraft Show. Looks like our lunch is almost ready, but I want to have a little bit of a conversation with Mitch to learn and have him share with you what he's going to be doing at the New England Bushcraft Show. So Mitch, why don't you tell us what you'll be doing?
Sure. So I'm going to be teaching celestial navigation, or navigating by the stars. Now I'm going to go over several ways to do this. I'm going to go over how to find Polaris in the sky by using constellations, kind of a macro view. I'm also going to show how to use the LURD technique, and that is not even using groupings of stars. If you can just see a star, and depending on what way it moves, L-U-R-D, left, up, right, or down, you can understand which way you're looking there as well. So I plan on talking multiple ways on how to find constellations, how to find Polaris, how it all works. So on the fly, just sitting down for a couple minutes looking at a star, you can not only just get general direction, but also I'm going to go into how to shoot an azimuth, so to get a bearing down to the degree off of stars as well. It's actually easier than you think.
That sounds really interesting. So in addition to the workshop though, you're going to be also doing some sort of product demos or some sort of vendor exposure stuff as well. So to give us a description of what you'll be doing there and what people can expect.
Yeah, sure. I'm also going to be a vendor there. I'm going to have my table set up, my tent, and I'm going to have my wares on sale. So whether it be wool blankets, all stuff that I designed, wool blankets, native survival knives. I'm going to have kind of the gambit there, flint and steel kits, trapping kits, just a lot of things that either I've put together myself or I contact, very expert at their field, like LT Wright makes my knives. You know, I go to the best and I give them my design, and then, then they ship them to me and have them on my store, and it's all exclusive to my store. And so I'm going to be bringing some of that stuff with me, wool blankets, cool. Knives, things like that. Yeah,
and we were talking earlier, sort of in the downtime, whilst you're kind of hanging out there, waiting for people to come over to you, you'll be there kind of carving spoons or
that's right.
Doing stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to have my carving rig with me, and probably going to have a couple spoons, things like that to sell as well. And during downtime, I'll be carving away and hanging out and chatting and photo ops, whatever you guys want to do. I'll be there. We can talk and have a good little time.
Cool. Mitch, that sounds really cool. I'm excited to see both your workshops and your vendor site. So I just want to close with thanking Mitch for inviting me to his camp. We're looking forward to eating some lunch, and we hope that you join us at the New England Bushcraft Show. You can get your tickets through Eventbrite. By just sort of typing in the search box New England Bushcraft Show, but also you can go to newenglandbushcraft.org. You can click on the website link. There's a direct link to buy tickets, and actually over the next few weeks I'll be loading up a whole bunch of blog posts and FAQs and other information about the show and about the participants and everything that's going on. So stay tuned. I hope you follow our YouTube channel, certainly follow Mitch's YouTube channel, and hope to see you on the April 28th at the New England Bushcraft Show.
See you there.